To add a Lightbox to Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the website editor. A Lightbox is a pop-up window that displays content on top of the main website, often used for showcasing images, videos, or promotions. First, click on the Add button on the top bar of the editor. Then select Lightbox from the drop-down menu. This will open the Lightbox panel where you can choose from various templates and customize the design and layout of your Lightbox. Choose a template that fits your needs, or start from scratch by selecting the blank template. You can then add text, images, videos, and other elements to your Lightbox using the drag and drop editor. To set up the Lightbox, click on the settings icon and select the trigger that will open the Lightbox, such as a button click or page load. You can also set the delay and duration of the Lightbox, as well as add a close button. To add content to your Lightbox, click on the Add Element button and select the type of content you want to add, such as an image or video. You can then customize the content by resizing, cropping, or adding effects. Once you have designed and set up your Lightbox, click on the Apply button to save your changes. You can then preview your Lightbox by clicking on the Preview button to see how it will look on your live website. Best practices for using Lightboxes on Wix include keeping the content concise and relevant, using clear and prominent calls to action, and testing the Lightbox on different devices to ensure it is responsive and user-friendly. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective Lightboxes that enhance the user experience and drive engagement on your Wix website.